job. Uh-oh. You showing off for Daddy? Yeah. Oh.
You picked it up.
Yeah. Ooh, watch your toes, honey. Ouch. Jeez. There he goes. Yep.
And the musical director of Mura dos Mil. She and her band are helping break new ground for women in mariachi. The members of Mura dos Mil pride themselves on their commitment to conquering the most difficult musical arrangements the music.
Wow. You with that thing. I've never seen him use that thing so much.
I know. Uh-oh. Watch the chair behind you. Does this mean you want to vacuum my house? Yeah? When are you going to
Only
start
if it's
vacuuming?
The musical vacuum.
I can arrange that. Watch your toes, honey. Ow. Ow.
He's copying what Karen does, huh?
Yeah. What you doing, babies? Oi, watch your
You missed
toes.
the spot.
Gosh, he keeps banging his tootsies.
You missed the
Ow.
spot.
Oi. Oi. Doing. Yay! This would be fun at Amy's house down her long hallway. Maybe we'll take it there next time, huh? Tomorrow? Oi, are you okay? Jeez. Wipe out.
I'm crazy with that thing.
Ay, what's your toes? Goodness. Wow, he's looking for Daddy's approval so much.
He hasn't hit his toes yet, has
He
he?
has. He just
Really?
doesn't.
He
It
didn't
doesn't
cry?
faze him. Yeah.
Because you got tough little toes, don't you?
Oh yeah. Oi. Oi. He's looking for your reaction, honey. What is Daddy gonna think of this? Oi! Oi! Da, da, da. You can push it in front of you too. You don't have to drag it everywhere. Ouch! Watch your tootsies. Jeez, you make a hole in the floor. Are you trying to make a dent? Ow!
You can push it, you know. Want to push it? Yeah. Push it.
There you go.
Oh, it doesn't.
Alright! That's fun too. Boing! Yes!
No, I can't go any further.
This way.
We'll put that wall there.
Oi.
Wasn't there before. Like you're saying, every weekend is something new, huh?
Mm-hmm. Ooh. He keeps waiting for your reaction, honey. He keeps looking at you. What's Daddy gonna think?
Uh-oh. Another wall.
Oi, don't crash. Oi. 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 Okay.